Welcome to today's delicious adventure in the kitchen. We're about to make a mouth-watering dish that's the perfect blend of sweet and spicy. Sweet and spicy eggplant. This dish is packed with rich flavors, tender eggplant, and a little kick to excite your taste buds. So let's get started. Grab your ingredients and let's dive into creating this irresistible, easy-to-make recipe that will leave everyone asking for seconds. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to the Kitchen Diaries channel.